Pour the soap directly into the shower head. Smart! Try Marseille soap to degrease surfaces in the kitchen. Clean and scented. Using Vaseline, you can clean and shine stainless steel. Unpleasant odors in the fridge? A sponge and some baking soda are all you need. Problem solved! With just a cloth, you can't get into hard-to-reach spots. Use a cotton swab to get into tight corners. Perfect! Put a sock over your squeegee. A great alternative duster. To remove stubborn limescale, sometimes scrubbing is not enough. You need a scraper. Check out the difference. White vinegar is an excellent, all-natural remedy for removing dirty streaks. Your stainless steel will be gleaming again. This could cause you to trip up. Hold the corner of the rug down with a heavy object and allow some ice cubes to melt around it. Wow! Cleaning a microwave has never been so simple. Put a wet sponge inside it and turn it on. Doing this, the grime will be softened up and you will be able to remove it effortlessly. It's important to clean the oven's extractor hood regularly. Just look at all that dirt and grime!